Good morning, kids. I hope you all are fit and fine and you have become good children just like Mimo. Remember the story of the obedient kid? I told you a story about Mother Goat and Mimo and how Mimo obeyed Mother Goat, right? I hope you also obey your parents and you appreciate the love and care that they give you, just like good children. So we'll do the question answers and other activities of this lesson today, children. Now on page number 15, I told you about the traffic light and I asked you to color the traffic light, the green, yellow and red. I hope you have colored that. Now we'll do the other exercise. Read the given words, color the light red for things that are not obedient and green for things that are obedient. Now let's see, not listening to elders. Red or green? Red. Sleeping on time. It's a good thing. So green. Disobeying your teacher. No, bad habit. It is red. Completing your homework. Very good, children. That has to be green. Saying bad words. Oh, red. We should not say bad words. Finishing your food. It is green. We should always finish our food on time. We should not waste food. Okay, children? Now, let's see the words to know. Tender, kind and gentle. So, somebody who is very kind and gentle. Gnashed, grind the teeth together as a sign of anger. How did the wolf do? He gnashed his teeth. दोनों दांतों को ऐसे घिसना गुस्से में. Stamping, bringing down the foot heavily on the ground. पैर पटक के जाना. जैसे आप लोग कभी कभी खेलते हो और हार जाते हो तो कैसे गुस्से से पैर पटक के भाग जाते हो. That is called stamping. Pretend, to act like something is true when it is not true. So to pretend as if जो हो रहा है वो सब सही हो रहा है जबकि वो सच्ची चीज नहीं है. That is what pretend means. Fiercely, threatening, मतलब किसी को डराना. And fiercely मतलब थोड़ा डरना भी, थोड़ा सा डरना is called fiercely. जैसे कि you remember the wolf looked very fiercely. वो कैसे टेंडर किड मीमो को डरा रहा था. That is what fiercely means. Now be mindful. Cloud of thoughts. Oh, very nice. Let's see, children. Breathe in deeply and slowly through your nose. Breathe out fully and slowly through your mouth. Now close your eyes and imagine that each thought you have in your mind is a cloud over your head. Slowly breathe in again, hold your breath and focus on the cloud of thought. Give a shape to your cloud of thought. It can be anything, a goat, a train or even a tree. Play with your thought in your mind for a while. Now slowly breathe out and let the thought go. So you just sit down and close your eyes and breathe in and breathe out and think about anything that you want to think and try making a cloud of animals. आपने देखा है ना कभी कभी बादल जब हम देखते हैं आसमान में तो कभी बादल हमको ट्री दिखता है, कभी हॉर्स दिखता है, कभी ट्रेन दिखता है, कभी बोट दिखता है. So try doing it in your head and then let the thought go away and breathe out and open your eyes. Do this exercise when you have free time. Now question answers time. Let's see. Why was Mother Goat afraid to leave the kid alone? Why, kids? Because Mimo was very small and very young, so Mother Goat was very afraid. Why? Where did the Mother Goat go? The Mother Goat went to get cabbage and lettuce for dinner. Why did the wolf pretend to be Mimo's mother? Wolf pretended to be Mimo's mother because he wanted to eat the tender Mimo. How did Mimo save herself from the wolf? Mimo saved herself from the wolf by going and looking out from the window whether it was Mimo's mother or not. And when she saw it was the wolf, she did not open the door. What do you think would have happened had Mimo not obeyed her mother? If Mimo would have not obeyed her mother, then the wolf would have eaten the tender kid. Yes. Read the story given below and fill in the blanks. Once upon a time, there was 4 little ghosts who lived with their mother. One day, mother went out shopping and left the little ghost at home. Mother asked them not to eat anything that is not white in color. Otherwise, they would turn into the color of the thing they eat. The little ghost didn't obey the mother and changed their color. The first goat ate some spinach. He turned green in color. पालक कैसा होता है, स्पिनच कैसा होता है, ग्रीन होता है. और गोस्ट की मदर ने क्या बोला था, कोई भी कलर्ड चीज नहीं खाना, ओनली व्हाइट चीज खाना. तो गोट ने जैसे ही स्पिनच खाया गोस्ट, तो वो ग्रीन हो गया गोस्ट. द सेकेंड गोस्ट हैड अ मैंगो. ही टर्न येलो इन कलर. द रेड लिटिल गोस्ट एट केचप. He turned red in color. The fourth little ghost had a chocolate cake. He turned brown in color. And there were no more ghosts. Now the ghost kid did not listen to the mother, and they ate spinach, mango, chocolate, ketchup, and all of them turned into color. And there was no more ghost. Right, children? So obey your mother. Now let's see the fill in the blanks. Mother, I am dash, see I am strong too. What did Mimo say? Grown up. Oh, Mr. Wolf, you tried to cheat me. You do not sound like my mother. The wolf often wished to eat the tender young kid. Mimo pleased that she had obeyed her mother. Now, make sentences of the following words. The first one is pretend. Ram pretended to sleep while her mother called out his name. Obeyed. Children should always obey the traffic rules. Or Sita always obeyed her mother. Gnashed. Vinny sat up in his chair and gnashed his teeth. Cruel. Rohit was a cruel man. Children, you also try making few sentences of these words, okay, when you have time. Now let's see Tony and Tutu. Hey Tony, let's get some ice cream. No, mother says I should not eat ice cream in winter. But she's not here to see you eat ice cream. She will be here to see my cold. Oh, so now what is Tony saying? Tony is saying, Tutu, let's go and have some ice cream. So Tutu is saying, I can't because my mother has said no to eat ice cream in winters. सर्दियों में ice cream नहीं खाते हैं. So then Tony says, your mother is not there. How she will come to know that you had ice cream? उनको तो पता नहीं पड़ेगा, वो तो तुम्हें देख नहीं रही है. पर Tutu said, but she will be there to see my cold. अगर मुझे सर्दी जुकाम हो जाएगा तो मेरी मम्मा ही है जो मुझे देखेगी. So we should not cheat our parents. If they say not to do anything, please don't do that. In their presence, don't do that. In their absence, don't do that. Because parents know what is good for you children. So always obey them and always do as they say. Okay kids? Now subject connect. Little Mimo grew up to become a wise young goat. She used to go out with her mother to fetch food. Mimo could fetch 4 lettuce in one day and mother fetched 2 cabbage every day. Can you tell me how many lettuce and cabbage they had in a week? Let's see now. So, how many Mimo used to take? In one day, Mimo used to get 4 lettuce. So, that means 28 in a week. And mother used to get 2 cabbage in a day. That means 14 in a week. So 28 plus 14 gives 42. So they used to have 42 cabbage and lettuce in a week. Right? Now value for life. Read the story of Pinocchio and Little Red Riding Hood. Talk about it, how they get into trouble for not being obedient. So now children, these are 2 stories that you need to read. One is the Pinocchio, the second one is the Red Riding Hood. You will get these stories either on YouTube or you can also get the story books online. and read the story. Okay, if I get that link, I will share the link with you so that you can go watch the story and see how you see how they get in trouble for not obeying their parents. Okay, now let's see page number 22. Be wise. Obedience is listening to your parents and elders who care for you. Read the important rule that you must obey while you are on road. Very important, kids. Now, whenever you are on the road, you should follow these rules. First, look in all directions before crossing the street. So look left, right, straight, and then only cross the street. If you see vehicles moving, please wait. Cross only at intersection, walk, never run. So जो बीच में जो intersection होते हैं उन्हीं पे चलना चाहिए और कभी भागना नहीं चाहिए रोड पे. Watch from turning vehicles. So if there is a turning point, wait. देखो कि कोई vehicle turn तो नहीं कर रहा है and then walk. Avoid crossing between parking cars. So if you see that there are car parked, don't walk between them. Side से होके निकलना. Okay. Always use a backpack to carry your books whenever you are riding a bicycle, right? Backpack में अपना bottle, अपना books रख के then you ride your bicycle. Always wear a helmet while riding a bicycle. Stop and look in all directions before entering the roadway from a driveway. Okay. So once you come on the roadside, wait, look right, left, right, and then only come on the road. Go with the traffic and obey the traffic rules. Obey traffic signals. As I told you, we should always obey traffic signals. The 3 lights that we have, red, green, and yellow, always follow them. Fasten your seat belt in the car. Whenever you sit in the car, make sure that your mom, dad, and you are wearing the seat belt. Sit quietly and do not bother the driver. Okay, don't keep talking. Sit quietly and look out. Don't talk to the driver. Always get out from the side of the car. So when you are coming out of the car, make sure that you come from the side door. Just look behind and see in front. If there is no car passing, then come out. Obey the school safety rules. Be aware of strangers and avoid them. Okay, so do not talk to strangers or take anything from strangers. No chocolate, no toffee, no biscuit, nothing. Okay, if you don't know anybody, children, make sure that you don't talk to them. If they give you food to eat, please say no and walk away from there. Okay, now let's see the activity. Our elders make rules for our safety and well-being. We need to obey them wisely. Now, words to discuss it and discuss the rules that your elders have made for you. Now, in the kitchen, what is the rule that is made by your mother? You should not go near the gas. You should not use knife. At the school, you should always walk in line. You should not push each other. On the road, look left and right and then only cross the road. In a crowded place, you should always hold your father or mother or your grandparents' hand. You should not run in a crowded place. In a car, sit quietly and wear your seat belt. Yes, children, like good kids, please follow the traffic rules. Please obey your parents and appreciate what they do for you. Okay, that is all about obedient kids. I hope my kids have also now been obedient and listening to their parents. Take care of yourself and I'll see you with a new story next week. Bye bye.